Wildcards allow you to individualize or customize your messages, and they can be a very powerful tool if you know something about the person or the business that you're calling. For example, if you know the phone number that you're calling belongs to John Smith, and you know that John Smith just purchased a new refrigerator from your company, you could set up your wildcards like this. Your wildcard 1 name could be name, and your wildcard 1 value could be John Smith. Your wildcard 2 name could be appliance. Your wildcard 2 value could be refrigerator. And when you reference your wildcards in your instruction messages, Sophtone will translate the name wildcard into John Smith and the appliance wildcard into refrigerator. You can then reference your wildcards in your outbound messages by enclosing your wildcard names in brackets. Typically, you will assign wildcards during the bulk upload process.